Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering gear. Check if the TV uses Chromecast, AirPlay, or Miracast, or if you need an HDMI adapter. Once done, connect the adapter to your phone, USB-C or Lightning, then plug HDMI into the TV and the other end into the adapter. Make sure the TV is set to the correct HDMI input. If using wireless casting, open the phone's cast or screen mirroring menu and look for the TV name on the same Wi-Fi network. Now you establish the active connection. On the TV, select the HDMI input you plugged into, or on the phone, tap the cast or screen mirror icon and choose the TV by name. When prompted on the TV, accept or enter the PIN shown. This prevents random connections. Make sure landscape orientation is enabled if you want widescreen, and set phone volume. If casting from an app, use the app's cast button, because app streams often play smoother than full screen mirroring. Finish by confirming audio and video are in sync and adjust TV picture mode for the best result. If you see lag, stuttering, or no connection, reboot the phone, the TV, and the router, then try again. This clears network conflicts. Make sure both devices are on the same network and that apps are up to date. If wireless remains unreliable, switch to a wired HDMI adapter. Wires eliminate Wi-Fi interference and guarantee stable, low-latency video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.